What's going on, everyone? Hope everyone likes that new animation. What's going on, everyone? What's everyone looking at this morning? What's up, Tom? Anita, Viet. Stream should be a little bit better quality, hopefully. Let me know. Now we have the option for 1080p. I will lower the volume. Appreciate you mentioning that, Steve. Volume's lower. Let's see what you guys are watching. Google, Amazon, SPX. What's up, Chris? Jacoma, watching Spy, Netflix puts. Okay. Looking at the Black Hills from a cabin. That's funny. Yesterday I didn't play much. The only play I had was a swing from here. I had the calls, and then CPI ruined that play. If you guys don't mind, drop a like on the video. Every single morning, Monday to Friday, I'll be here. So here's a SPY chart. Take a look at this. This trend line from June 17th, right, lines up perfectly to June 14th, or July 14th, and then September 6th, and September 7th, and then yesterday, right? Interesting spot where we're bouncing here, right? It also lines up perfectly with this previous resistance, right? This previous resistance acting as a support, right? This support down here, 389.96, 390, just to round up. Look where we bounced multiple times, right? Previous support, previous resistance, previous support, support, and support. If this level breaks, not good. Set an alert on it. I'm going to set actually an alert at the low of the day of yesterday. And that'll be that. All right, hopefully we get the bounce today. Let's take a look at everything else. VIX was, a huge sign yesterday, right? We had this previous support, right? We started consolidating here and we broke out and flew back up to the upside. Look where we rejected, right? We bounced once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and now 5 times. If VIX breaks over this again, I'm playing puts. Like, pretty big position. This is going to be a big move if we break over this region here. All right, so I have my alert set. I'm going to set one before it as well, just so I get alerted before. And this is going to tell me where SPY is going to go today. Right, but take a look at the overall chart, right? Here's SPX. Right, we're sitting right at the 618. I don't really use fibs too often anymore, but C-Bless mentioned this to me, and it lines up perfectly. Looks very good. Right, hopefully we can get a bounce today and move back up here. But it doesn't really, we're in an overall downtrend. Right, if we break this trend line, things aren't going to look that good. For anyone that's just joined, please drop a like on the video. Really appreciate everyone's support lately. Everyone's been loving the streams. If anyone has any suggestions on the stream, please let me know. Let me know how the volume is, or if I can, add a bot or something to the chat. Yeah, I alert everything to the option alerts. You know, a good idea could actually be, if you guys want to post charts and you want me to review them, post them in the Discord and I'll go over them. Post them in the pro trading floor. Post them in the pro trading floor and I'll go over your charts. If you want me to. I feel like that's a good idea. I could do every morning, cover your charts. Let me know what you think about that. If not, we can always just you know, go over my charts. I'll wait for you guys to drop comments to do that. If SPY breaks support, I'm entering right away, Zach. I like to enter right away. What's up, Charles? Appreciate you dropping by, showing support. We got 150 people here. Appreciate every single one of you. Please drop a like on the video. Only have 55 likes. On mobile, okay. I'm looking for like a break below 3,900, right? 3,900 is going to be a key level. That's the level you need to look out for, 3,900. Regarding what am I looking at the open? Nothing really. I kind of like to let the market settle a little bit. Haven't really been liking taking something right at the open, right? It becomes very volatile, and you know, I kind of like let it settle a little bit, right? Let it create the opening range, make a high of the day, a low of the day. It always happens, and take a trade after that once our setups kind of line up here. It says people waiting. I don't know what that is. It doesn't say that for me. I don't really use extended hours too much. Only if we get like a big drop in pre-market, I'll use it just to take a look. Let's pull up the dashboard here. No one really posts their chart, so I can't really cover that. I have a new monitor coming. Really excited. Got the Samsung G9, the 49-inch curved. Looking to make some great content on that one, and it's gonna be awesome for streaming. I'll be able to put the dashboard and the chart up at the same time without, you know, minimizing my screen space. All right, so that's what I'll be doing from now. I'll be streaming the entire thing. It's gonna look amazing. All right, and then once we figure out the Discord situation, I will be streaming my chart live and the dashboard live, so you can see exactly what I'm looking at while I'm trading. It's gonna be a game changer. I just realized the enhanced market here at the top is messed up. Let's move that back. Whoops. There we go. Just fix that. Andre, you have a 49-inch screen? How is it? So for anyone new to the Discord, I'll show you quickly. Right, pro trading floor. This is where we all chat. Right, everyone posts their charts. Right, definitely follow that. Questions TA, right, regarding any questions you have, about our charts or anything. Option alerts is where we all post trades, and then we have the challenge alerts, right? All right, I have my 2K challenge. I post all my challenge alerts here, and I post my main account trades in option alerts. All right, C-Blast has his 100 to 1 million challenge. There's a bunch of other challenges here that you could follow. Just go through these channels, take a look, and see what works best for you. He's got a challenge account right now as well. We got a lot of content here. Right, so but definitely take a look at the pro trading floor. Ghost is hopping in live trading. We're gonna hop in 20 minutes, and we'll be trading live. Let's see, what's up, Felipe? It's better to consider weeklies. Oh, wicks or only the body they can't. It depends, right? Sometimes whatever has more touches, Felipe, right? So like for example, this I'm going from the wick, this I'm using the wick, and then this I'm using the body of the candle. Could you do this? Absolutely, right? There's no like scientific approach to it. There's no like exact method that you have to use, right? So Felipe's question was, do I draw the line from the body or the candlestick, right? The wick. Both work just as well, right? It doesn't really need to be too exact. Just so you could see the pattern is, really all you need. Let's take a look at Beyond. Whoops. This is like a ticker I don't play at all. Just not for me. All right, look at the overall chart, overall downtrend. We do have, almost a triple bottom here. All right, 1 bounce, 2 bounce, 3, and we're testing it again. So if this drops, right, could you play puts? Sure. Just not my kind of setup here. Also, the contracts on Beyond, I'm not really a fan of. I know a lot of people like to play these names, but I like to stick to the mega caps, right? Tesla, Apple, Amazon, AMD, and then the ETF, SPY, and SPX. Yeah, this is sitting at an all-time low, triple bottom here. All right, here's the daily. Let's take a look at the inverse chart, right? Inverse chart looks ready to go. Right, I always like to take a look at the inverse chart. Take a look at the inverse chart of SPY. SPX. It looks like it's ready to go. Yeah, I definitely agree with C-Blast analysis. But I don't really like to play those tickers. Just my opinion. And, doesn't fit my strategy. Right, so here's the inverse chart, right? We're approaching the top here. Entry point 3886. Early entry is going to be 3900. Right, 3900 is going to be the region to look for today, at least. My strategy, Rusty, is right flag breakouts. You could probably hear the sirens in the background. Strategy flag breakouts. Right, any of those patterns, inverse head and shoulders, cup and handles, falling wedges are my absolute favorite. And I just like to stick to the same names, right? SPX, Tesla, Amazon, Apple. I know how they move. They always have volume, never an issue with liquidity. And, you know, that's what I'm going to stick to. Logan, that is not what I said. Did not say that. Inverse the chart, you just hit Alt-I on Windows and then Option-I on Mac. And then you could just inverse it back. How do you avoid fake breakouts? The only way, right? You need to take a look at the volume. Taking a look at the dashboard, right? This is obviously going to help if you see something approaching a resistance or a support, and then you see flow supporting that direction on the break. High chance that it's going to continue. Right? That's why it's very important to use this. But you can also just click the tickers, and it'll come right up. Let's refresh it. 17th. And this was the flow at close. Let's see. Let's fix our thing here. Premium greater than or equals to 50,000. And then this will come up as 50,000. Yep, you need to be a member to be in the pro trading chat. Definitely, definitely, definitely. All the flow at close was bearish. Right, pretty decent size as well. These are pretty interesting. Wait, so this person took... Interesting. Right, someone put 186,000 on 181 puts expiring today, a minute after the market closed. All right, and then that's on IWM. That's pretty interesting. Someone's bearish, or it could be a hedge, right? 2,000 flat contracts. Interesting. IWM Friday 170 puts. That's a far out of the money play, everyone. That is far out of the money, right? Current price was 182. Someone bought 2,504 contracts for $20 each. All right, up to, it was 50,000 total. That's pretty big. All right, I'm going to keep an eye on that today. IWM. Let's see how that does today. Here's the inverse chart. %1,000% on SPX today. I hope. Crypto said, I inverted the chart now. How do I get it back? Just do Alt-I again. All right, or I'm pretty sure you could do it if you right click. I think. Settings. Appearance maybe? No, maybe not. Oh, just Alt-I. Another great turnout here. Appreciate everyone showing support. If you guys don't mind, please drop a like on the video. A like on the stream. We're only at 87 likes. Let's get this up to 150. Let's get the stream up to 150. 150 likes. Pre-market rising wedge in the 1 minute. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. All right, so now here is the regular chart. Right, if you're ever confused about if it's inverse or not, just take a look at the numbers right here on the right hand side of the screen. Right, and obviously it's higher numbers are up top. So here is the pre-market data. Right, this is kind of acting as a trend line. Right, you can use these as support or resistance. 394.5 is the high. Oh wait, no, excuse me. 394.76 is the high. I didn't see those little candles there. What's up, Christopher? Also, before I forget, right, today's Wednesday. If you guys have been following me for a decent amount of time now, you should know that I don't really like to trade on Wednesdays. Right, middle of the week volume is typically lower. Things usually get a little choppy, so just be a little bit more cautious trading on Wednesdays going you know, in the future. You know, the longer you trade, the more you'll realize that Wednesdays are typically more choppy, which is why I like to, you know, kind of relax a little bit on Wednesdays, sit on the sidelines, you know, and not take as many plays. Even though I don't really take that many plays in general, right? I'm a very patient trader. I like to let the setups come to me, and I like quality over quantity. Also, hopefully my advice yesterday really worked well for you. Again, for anyone that wasn't there, I suggested, instead of focusing on the money for the next 20 trades, focus on just trading the setup. Right, 20 trades, write it down on a piece of paper. Right, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on. Right, write it down on a piece of paper, and just take 20 trades based on the chart. Right, doesn't matter if you make $1, doesn't matter if you lose $1. Don't focus on the money whatsoever. Just trade the setup, and you'll see, you know, your trading game completely change. Right, 20 trades and you can change the way you trade. Right, everyone's mentality is money, 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 money. That can't be your focus, right? When we're trading, we can't be focused on the money. We need to be focused on the chart, the setup, and, you know, the quality of the setup. That should be a quote. That needs to be written in a book, and that needs to be tattooed on everyone's leg. Join Discord, not showing premium access. Make sure you authorize the Discord. You can contact us at the inquiries. Right? Amen. Just go to inquiries. You're gonna have to click this link. Right? Authorize it. See what you guys are saying here. Ava watching SPX at 39.70. Let's see. SPX. Let's take a look. Here we go. So Ava 39.70. All right, and 39.50 for rejection, 3900 put or 3880 put. I love seeing everyone's charts here, right? If you guys aren't using everyone else's charts just for inspiration and ideas, you know, totally do it. Go on BullTrades.net for the Discord. My one-on-one sessions are Eastern. They are Eastern time. If you guys want to do a one-on-one, more than happy to do it. Set it up. Click the link in the bio. Let's see what else we got here. Turn off extended hours. See what the setups are. Actually, you know what? I'm going to use extended hours. See what's going on here. Consolidating on NVIDIA, Amazon as well. Everything looks to be consolidating. Pretty bullish right here, right? This is just a typical kind of inverse head and shoulders, right? Not really a left shoulder here, but we have the head and the right shoulder, and we're flagging here in pre-market. Whoops. Right, if this could break out right over that, I'm actually going to watch that in pre-market, or when the market opens, excuse me. Amen. If you did that and it's still not working, just message the staff, and we'll get you helped out. One-on-one sessions, I cover everything that you need. I can answer any questions that you have. I can help you make a strategy. I can help you, you know, whatever it may be. Let's see what else we got here. I really like these charts in the pre-market. NVIDIA and AMD and Amazon. I like this consolidation right here. This is what we look for every single time. Right, when the market opens, this is what I'm going to watch, actually. See what else we got here. Neo, GameStop, PDD, what's PB? Okay. See what's going on. Tesla looks good. Tesla looks pretty decent. But I don't really like that pre-market action. Right, I like NVIDIA. Oh yeah, take a look at NVIDIA now. Breaking out. Right, we're about to go live here. 2 minutes still open. Let's start to shift over to the voice chat. Right, we'll join Ghost in the Discord. Right, as always though, profit or risk first trading. Right, always risk first. Right, if you're not confident in the setup, don't take it. Sit on the sidelines. Right, Wednesdays are typically more choppy. Right, Wednesdays I like to trade less, and you know, let's have a great day. All right, so let's start to shift over. I'm gonna change the screen here. Hopefully you guys like that BullTrades transition, and I'll see you guys in voice chat. Hopefully you guys like that BullTrades transition, and I'll see you guys in voice chat. Hopefully you guys like that BullTrades transition, and I'll see you guys in voice chat. That should be a quote. That needs to be written in a book, and that needs to be tattooed on everyone's leg.